to bridge. All cab 2 team to bridge.
Alright, this is just me doing a quick little scroll through of the happenings at the local Wally Mart. Just so you guys can see what the shelves are looking like here. I don't have my glasses, so I can't even tell how well this is coming out. That's terrible. But it is what it is, fellas. I haven't been making videos lately, but a lot of the locals around me seem to have been getting 22 pretty regularly. But I have more than a little bit, so I'm not in a hurry to buy any. This is one of those trips where it's just to see what's going on. And plus, it's already almost 9 o'clock and there's no one to be found. Well, we'll see what happens. I'm going to try to find somebody because I can't let that 22 go like that.